trade is such a huge part of what's going on in our community.
They're trying something out that they've never tried, and we're finding some people that have just a real natural talent.
It's so fun. We love giving back to the community.
I learned so much from the contractors here.
It's fun framing again, building, and just meeting all these people, so I'm having a great time.
If you think about Tiger Woods, arguably one of the best golfers of all time, and so he has that in him naturally, but of course he was exposed to it at a young age and he developed it over the years. But what if he had grown up in Montana and was never exposed to golf and never picked up a golf club? Would he not have it in him to potentially be the best golfer of all time? I think he would. And likewise, some of these people that would have never picked up a welding gun, they might be the next Tiger Woods in one of these trades, but because they're never exposed to it, they wouldn't even know that they are one of the best.
We have a skilled labor shortage in the entire country, and this is one method that we're using to get more people into the skilled trades. It's just enough to give a person a taste, but hopefully that taste is enough to propel them into the trades.
My name is Caleb Jex, and I'm a high school senior at Pocatello High School. What I enjoyed most about doing this was learning a lot of new skills that I can take with me into future jobs and future things that I can do in my house. So I've learned a lot, so thank you to the ISU team who put this on. It was an absolutely fantastic experience.
Hi, my name's Kyle Bronco, and I am a second-year apprentice with the TARE program out in Fort Hall. It's really a blast having to build these sheds. We're working with kids today, which is really fun. We were teaching them how to put up these walls, and that was probably my favorite thing today, was just teaching them how to frame up these walls. I'm here with my instructor. His name is Steve, and I have to give him a big thank you for teaching me throughout my second year.
Hi, my name is Bodie Edmo. I'm a second-year apprentice with the TARE program at the Shoshone-Bannock Tribe. I like seeing when the kids have a spark in the eye when they genuinely want to do this. It's a good feeling being able to show someone something that they could possibly do for the rest of their life.
My name is Kempton Grosbeck, and I'm here at Construction Combine. I'm here looking for opportunities to do in the future, and I'm doing welding right now, and I just got offered a job at Spudnik, so that was pretty good.
My name is Master Sergeant Stafford, United States Marine Corps retired, and I look back behind me and it is so awesome to see these kids actually learning trades, and to be a recipient of one of these fine sheds is just, I mean, it brings tears to my eyes. For one, because I was also a retired teacher, but also to see that the trades are coming back, and it's so great.
I'm really excited to be able to come out here today to introduce our business as part of this workshop. It shows them a great opportunity that there are trades out there that can make career paths outside of the normal field of anything that you're interested in.
I'm here at the Construction Combine just to meet the community around here, just to see if there's any young guys, anybody looking for full-time work. I could always use just a good hand with my business, so it's been great so far.
We do this every year. Just gives us an opportunity to give back and teach some kids, high school students and other folks to learn how to roof.
I was more than ecstatic to have the opportunity to come and do this. This is actually my second year. I'm looking forward to another year possibly.
This is so important for our community because we are in a renaissance, and it's so exciting to watch all of this that's going on and to see all of these skills being taught, because boy, the next couple of years here are going to be terrific for growth, and so many significant things are going to happen to the valley.
And that's one of the cool things about being able to do this, trying to connect our community with our youth, with our educational resources, and put some opportunity in front of them. So really, really, really cool.
Thanks to everybody who's participating, our sponsors and donors, our contractors, this whole community. You're just awesome.
And we really, I can't say it enough, we appreciate all these kids have worked for. Thank you.